Brace for more. The finance minister signals taxes are ahead. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, sewage problem spawns losses for a local company.
Delays. How the health minister plans to tackle long lines at some public sector pharmacies.
Murder mania, a double killing out west leaves a community in shock.
And in business news, embattled IMF backs its managing director after a French court convicts her.
There's also a ray of hope, sports commentary and weather in this edition of Primetime News. But before the break, the feedback question.
We're asking, are you prepared to pay more taxes to finance the second phase of the increase in the income tax threshold?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after these messages.